Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you will learn how to make this exhaust manifold. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create a line with 120 millimeters. And another construction line here with 250 millimeters. Then we will create a plane at this point here. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select line, a construction line, make a line here with 120 millimeters, and make another line here with 250 millimeters. Finish the sketch, go to construct and select the plane along the path. Select this path here. The distance is 1 and press OK. Hide the sketch 1. Go to create a sketch and select this new plane. In this new plane, we'll make this sketch here. And here is the center of the plane. And in the center, we'll make a circle with 65 millimeters of diameter. And we'll make this triangle here. And the fillet in the corners of this triangle is 15 millimeters of radius. So select the circle. Make a circle here with 65 millimeters of diameter. And select line. Make a triangle here. We'll put the dimensions later, no problem. Go to modify, select the fillet. The fillet here is 15 millimeters of radius. Press OK. Now select line, a construction line. Click at this point and in this line here. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this point and this line. And go to constraint again, select the equal. Make this line equal. Okay. Now the distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 32.5, and the distance between the center of this arc is 120 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, the distance here 120. Move this triangle here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here is 32.5. We made this. Now we'll make this hole here. The hole has 15 millimeters of diameter. So go to create, select the circle, remove the construction line type, 15 millimeters. Go to equal, select these circles. We made this. Finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 10 millimeters, the distance here. So go to extrude, select this profile, 10 millimeters, operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now we will select the top plane and make this sketch here. We'll make this base. Okay. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane. And select a line, a construction line. The distance between the center of the circle here and the midpoint here is 200 millimeters. So let's create a line here with 200 millimeters. And we will create this line here with 30 millimeters. and the angle between this line and this center line here is 45 degrees. So select a line, make a line here with 30 millimeters of length, 130, sorry, and go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here, and the angle between these two lines is 45 degrees. Press OK. We made this. Now we will create this sketch and create this circle in the center. This circle has 65 millimeters of diameter, and the radius here is 15 millimeters of radius, and the arc here has 50 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Select the circle, remove the construction line type, make a circle here with 65 millimeters of diameter, and here select line. We'll make this sketch here and put the dimensions later. Go to constraint, select tangent, make all this arc tangent with the lines, okay? Make this tangent here, okay, and go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point and this point, this point and this point here, and go to constraint again, select the concentric, select this arc and this one, this arc and this one, and go to constraint again, select the equal, select this arc and this one, this arc and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 15 millimeters, and the radius here is 50 millimeters. We made this. Now we have two circles here, and this circle is concentric with this arc, and the diameter is 15 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click at this point, 15 millimeters, and make another circle here. Go to constraint, select equal, make these two circles equal. We made this. Now we finish this sketch. We needed to extrude this, and we will extrude this 10 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile. The distance here minus 10 millimeters, press OK. We made this. Now we needed to create more 3 of this body here. So the distance between this body here and this one is 400 millimeters. So to create this, we'll go to create, select rectangular pattern. The object type, select the bodies, select this body here. The axis, select this axis here. The quantity here is 4. Let me move this a little bit here. And the distribution here, select the extend. And the distance here, minus 400 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. Look that the distance between these two circles here is 400 millimeters. We made this. Now we will make this pipe, and we will select the right plane and make this sketch. So go to create a sketch and select the right plane, and ability the 3D sketch, and go to create, select the project include 3D geometry, select this circle and select this circle, and now select line. This line here has 130 millimeters, and we have a line here with 7 millimeters, 60 plus 10 And we have a line between these 2 points. So let's create this. I will hide this body a little bit. Click at this point, select the top plane, make a line here with 70 millimeters. Select line, click at this point, select the right plane, make a line here with 130 millimeters. And make a line between these 2 points. And we have an arc here with 60 millimeters, and we have an arc here with 60 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, 60 millimeters, and select these 2 line here, 60 millimeters. We made this. Finish the sketch. And here, this pipe will make this with 65 millimeters of diameter. So go to create, select pipe, select this path, show the bodies here. The section size 65 millimeters, operation new body, and press OK. We made this. Now go to create, select the right plane again, and go to create, select project include 3D geometry. Select this circle here, and select this circle. I will hide this body a little bit, and select line. Click at this point and select the top plane. Make a line here with 70 millimeters. And select line again. Select this point, select the right plane, and make a line here with 130 millimeters. And make a line between this point and this point. And go to fillet. The fillet here, 60 millimeters of radius. And the same here. Okay. Finish the sketch. And go to create, select pipe. Select this path. The section size is 65 millimeters. Show the bodies here. The operation here, new body. And press OK. Now go to create and select mirror. And the object type, select the bodies, the object. Select this body and this one. The mirror plane, select the right plane. Operation, new body. And press OK. Now go to combine, select the target body, select this pipe, and the two bodies, select this pipe. Operation join, and press OK. We have this only one body here of pipe, okay? And now we need to add thickness here and remove some face. The inside thickness of this pipe, inside the diameter, sorry, is 65 millimeters, but the outside diameter here is 69 millimeters. So the thickness here is 2 millimeters. So go to modify, select shell. Here we will select the face that we want to remove. So select this face and this face here. And the thickness here is 2 millimeters, but the direction is outside. And press OK. We made this. Now we will go to combine and the target body, select this one, and the two bodies, select this pipe and this base here. Operation join and press OK. We made this. Now to finish this exercise, we have a fillet here and a fillet here. This fillet is 4 millimeters of radius. So go to modify, select fillet, select this edge here. The fillet here is 4 millimeters and press OK. We made this. Let me show for you. or if we selected the top plane here, look this. Okay, now I will add some color here. So press letter A in the keyboard. The fillet will be red. So select the fillets here. And select this face here. And the bottom face. The color here will be green. And let me change this color a little bit. And press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.